Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, which is the oldest high court in India? Answer, Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court is the oldest high court in India. Next very important question. Who was the editor of Kesri magazine? Answer, B.G. Tilak. B.G. Tilak was the editor of Kesri magazine. Next. When was the first battle of Panipat fought? Answer, 1526. The first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 AD. Next. Who is called the second Ashok? Answer, Konisko. Konisko is called the second Ashok. Next. Who was the last king of Satvahan dynasty? Answer, Yogyasri Satkarni. Yogyasri Satkarni was the last king of the Satvahan dynasty. Next. When did James Prinsep decipher the Ashok inscription? Answer, 1837. James Prinsep deciphered the Ashok inscription in 1837. Next very important question. Who introduced the Kolino system? Answer, Bollal Sen. Bollal Sen introduced the Kolino system. Next. Where was Shashanka's capital located? Answer, Karna Suvarna. Where was Shashanka's capital located? Answer, Karna Suvarna. Next. Who founded the Bharat Sabha? Answer, Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee founded the Bharat Sabha. Next. Which is the first English newspaper in India? Answer, Hickey's Gazette. Hickey's Gazette is the first English newspaper in India. Next. Who composed the Tughlaq-Nama? Answer, Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni composed the Tughlaq-Nama. Next. Sorry friends, answer Amir Khosru. Okay. Who composed Tughlaq-Nama? Answer, Amir Khosru. Next. Which law is called Black Bill? Answer, Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act is called Black Bill. Next. Where was the first permanent settlement located? Answer, Bengal. The first permanent settlement was located in Bengal. Next. Who was the founder of Chalukya dynasty? Answer, the first Pulkesi. The first Pulkesi was the founder of Chalukya dynasty. Next. Who abolished the dual system of government? Answer, Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings abolished the dual system of government. Next. Who presided over the first session of All India Trade Union Congress? Answer, Lala Lajpat Rai. The first session All India Trade Union Congress was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai. Next. When was the Waghel Plan implemented? Answer, 1945. The Waghel Plan was implemented in 1945. Next. When was Wood's Instructions published? Answer, 1854. The Wood's Instructions was published in 1854. Next. In which year did the partition of Bengal begin? Answer, 1905. The partition of Bengal began in 1905. Next. When was the third round table meeting held? Answer, 1932. The third round table meeting was held in 1932. Okay. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 20 questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can watch any kind of video. Friends, you can also subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you for watching my video.